The body is a body. Every time we cut one open, we're faced with a series of decisions. Some choices are made for you.
Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. So good.
I've been really nice. But it's time.
Ay, papatunog ka na naman ng dila mo.
So today, I'm going to book you a room at the art field. Tonight, I will come home. I will help you finish packing. And tomorrow, I'm going to wake up alone in my